In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check online using the Truist mobile app. We know life gets busy and making a trip to the bank isn't always convenient. So let's walk through the process of depositing a check right from your phone. To start, you'll need to open your Truist mobile app. It's that familiar icon on your home screen. Give it a tap and watch it come to life. Once you're inside the app, you'll see spaces for your user ID and password. Carefully type them in, making sure everything's correct to avoid any hiccups. Remember, keeping your login details secure is vital for protecting your financial information. After typing in your credentials, go ahead and tap the Sign In button. This will direct you to your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the options on your screen and find the one that says Deposit. Tap on Deposit to proceed. This feature is designed to make your life easier by letting you deposit checks effortlessly. Once you hit deposit, you'll be asked to select the account where you want to deposit the check. If you have multiple accounts, just choose the right one by tapping on it. Next, you'll need to enter the amount written on your check. Double-check the numbers to ensure they match what's on the check itself. Once you've specified the amount, tap on Done to move to the next stage. Now comes the part where you'll take photos of your check. This step uses your phone's camera, so make sure you have good lighting. Start by capturing the front of the check. Align the check inside the guidelines on the app's screen, ensuring the entire check is visible and focused. It's crucial to get a clear shot, as any blurriness might cause issues with processing your deposit. Once you're satisfied with the photo, you'll proceed to take a picture of the back of the check. Remember, before snapping the back, make sure you've endorsed it by signing it appropriately. After capturing both images, the app gives you a preview. Review the pictures to ensure they're clear and correctly captured. If everything looks good, you're ready to hit the deposit button. Congratulations, your check is now on its way to being deposited into your selected account. Following this, the app might confirm your deposit by showing a summary. Take a moment to review this and ensure everything aligns with your expectations. It's always a good idea to keep the physical check until the deposit is fully processed, just for peace of mind. And there you go. You've successfully deposited a check using the Truist mobile app without needing to leave the comfort of home. This convenient tool is perfect for managing your finances efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy banking.